every promise you said you'd keep. I'm wide awake while you fall asleep, right next to me but out of reach. I'm holding on until it hurts. We build it up just to watch it burn, but I'll keep coming back until there's nothing left. I'm holding on, can't let you go. Every piece of me